Hi, this is Matt from Matchbook Custom. Today is our first actual powder coating job for a customer. Don't forget, whilst we're in this practice mode, we are doing free prep and powder coat on the actual parts if you want anything doing, but you will have to pay for labour and parts that are needed to rebuild the bike. But at the minute, yeah, totally free. So today we'll be powder coating Alex's engine parts, gloss black, as well as his trim ring, and redoing his sissy bathroom. Okay, so the Sporty is now stripped. I've got them all degreased and cleaned up. I just need to mask everything off now. Okay, so I think I've realised why fucking powder coaters, such lazy fuckers, and don't mask anything, because it takes so long. I've done all this, done all that. These were quite awkward because of the pushrod tubes in the top. But I've done all that. Next is hanging, but I think I might have to redo these because I've got to seal off the bolt holes. And as you can see, I've probably got to do it from the inside. And I should have done it before I put that on, so getting there. Right, so it's all hung. It's all masked. I've just done one more wipe over for any fingerprints that I've been getting. I'm now going to stick it in the oven for half an hour or so to get out any impurities from the alley. Yeah, hopefully it should all turn out good. It has taken a lot longer to do the prep part than I thought. It's taken me longer to do the prep part than it has to strip the engine down, and it will take to rebuild it. So that's a big learning process, but hey ho.
Needed to be
because melting on really quickly, which I know is supposed to happen, but it's going in about 5 minutes now.
Action. Very fine.
Smoky. Those tubes look good. It's a little bit peely.
Glossy, eh?
Bottom ones.
Some shine to them.
That was fucking hot. It's hard to see. They've come out quite well, but I'm a little disappointed in a couple of little bits. But that's why we're practicing. I think all in all, on the bike it's going to look awesome. But for example, up here, I'm not sure if I must have missed a bit, so I've got a little bit there. And then there's a couple of little bits in the edge here, and it's a bit orange peely, so I might have missed that angle. So I'm going to have a go at rubbing that back and seeing if I can rectify it. But still, shiny, black,